Hey guys, welcome back to Rainbow Soul. Hope you're all doing okay. And today is day 25 of Halloween Soul. Oh yes, getting closer and closer. And also yesterday I posted a giveaway, not just one, but there's two chances of winning two different giveaways. So please, if you haven't already, go and watch yesterday's video, see how to enter and go and enter it. So good luck to you all. Today I am going to be putting this to the test. This is a £1 makeup, spooky makeup kit from the one, the only Poundland, one of my favourite shops. So apparently this, you can get a good Halloween look from it. I've got two designs there, not exactly sure what she's meant to be, but I'm guessing he's some sort of like dead demon. I don't know. You don't get much. You get 3 of these little applicating things that I hate. You get 3 colours in like this little palette and some makeup pencils, shall we call it. It literally, all it says is makeup kit. Product will stain. What? Okay, so it literally says the first things products will stain. Okay, for something based for like aimed at like well, mind you, I say it's aimed at kids, but the adults on the packaging. Do I really want to put this on my face? Adult supervision recommended. I don't have an adult supervision, so I'm guessing I will do. So yes, I'm going to be putting this to the test to see if I can get any sort of look from it. And I think I'm going to attempt to go for this one, only because I have this wig and I want to wear a wig. So yes, I'm going to go with her. Don't know who she is or what she is, but I'm going to attempt to make that. Kind of looks like Lady Gaga, like her makeup from like the music video Applause. So literally it says on the back, product will stain, not could stain or may stain, product will stain. Not suitable for children under the age of 36 months. I think I need to like check my ID for that. Choking hazard due to small parts. Adult supervision recommended for external use only. Damn it, I wanted to use it internally. If irritation occurs, wash affected areas and discontinue use. If my face was burning off, I wanted to at least finish the look. Avoid contact with eyes, even though you're putting it around eyes. If swallowed, drink plenty of fresh water. So don't swallow it, but if you do, drink water. Do not induce vomiting. Seek medical advice. We always love a seek medical advice sentence on this channel. Colouring. Oh, here it says colouring may stain skin in some instances. Instances. So first it starts with saying it will stain, and now it's saying it may stain. So make up your mind. Directions for use. Test by placing a small amount inside wrist or elbow. So I'm guessing there or there, because these aren't sensitive areas, are they? Surely you want to like test it close to the face. And remove after 30 minutes. So I ain't got time for that, so I'm going to go straight onto the face. Wait 24 hours if allergic reaction occurs. Oh yes, so like if you have an allergic reaction, after 30 minutes, you should wait 24 hours before applying it to your face. That is getting me wound up. Let's just start. I'm not exactly sure how you're meant to apply this to your face with these. So I have got a cheap beauty blender. So at least it's cute and it's in the shape of a bat with a lid. So it's greasy. It's not water activated, so I can just apply it to my face. Shall I do face first or eyes first? I don't know. What shall I do? Shall I go with face first? I'm gonna go with face first. So, got my trusted mirror. I'm gonna go into there. And I feel like I'm gonna be here for a while. This stuff smells. It just feels like I am putting white Vaseline on my face. And I can't say this sponge is sucking it all up because it's barely sucking up water when I washed it, so never alone this product. Right, I'm going to do my best and get back to you. Not going to lie, my face feels red. I don't know if it's because I'm hitting it with this brick, and note to self, don't buy beauty sponges like from Superdrug's own brand because this isn't good. I've even tried Poundland ones and they was better than this. Right, I've had enough. Can you actually see how greasy my skin is now? So in person, it literally does not look this white, but I'm looking in the camera and it's white. But yes, I've had enough of that white. So, that is a white face. I have no idea how she has got her face that white. What about the crayon? Oh, I wonder if she's used these crayons, like the white one. Oh my god, this is so bad. And my skin actually feels warm. So, these crayons. Oh, she's literally not pigmented. That is harsh. I'm gonna go about, what's she using it on? Right, I'm gonna take it around my eyebrows, see if that works. Oh, there's so much grease on my skin, it's not actually doing anything. So that's surplus to requirements. So let's go in with the green, shall we? Green crayon. Hello, Mr. Green. I've got a feeling there's no way this is going to go on my skin. Okay, look. It's not drawing on it, is it? There's no way that picture has came with it from these products. I am getting a wet wipe to clean my eyes because it might be affecting the pigment on my eyes. So I'm kind of making a layout of where the green would go. Got the green. Do you have to warm it up? Okay, these crayons are not working, so I am going to add the white again because I am determined to make some sort of look. Then I am going to go in with the black from this palette, if you can call it palette. Why does the black seem a bit different formula? Ooh, I look like I've been dead, if that's the look I'm going for. Oh my god, I've lost the plot now. This is terrible. And I'm not on about this makeup look. I am on about these products. Shall I add a bit of black contouring? Okay, now I look more like the guy in that picture. Wow. You can even see how red my skin is underneath. Oh my god, my face is going to be red raw as soon as I take this off. So yes, I am looking more like the dead Joker. Oh, he's got a bit of red on. Oh, he's got a bit of red. If you look closely, you can see a bit of red, so I'm trying out the bit of red. Getting the use out of this red. Go in with the white again to make it blend. Can't have this makeup looking like it hasn't been blended. What do you think? Wow, that is bad. I want to know how they have done this, because I'm telling you now, these looks did not come from this packet. Are you meant to even use these crayons on the lips? Why have they used black outline for red lips? I don't get it. Well, let's just try it. I've got these pencils. Do they use on the lips? Check that pigment. Wow. Where's the red one? So I can get it on the lips, especially this red one. If I press really hard, I think I may even like mix it in with a bit of blood that's coming out my lips. That's the best I can do. So, is this worth £1? No. I ain't got a clue how you're meant to make some sort of decent look. Is this a decent look? Is this what the look? Is this the look the company was going for? Surely you can make better face paints than that. Surely? Or is it what? Literally? Good look? Oh, wig. Let's at least try it on with the wig. I have a wig. I love wigs. Oh, hello. Wow. Actually, this is definitely a Halloween look. I could definitely scare a couple of neighbours with this. Preferably don't go and see if my next door neighbour's okay, because I'm probably give her a heart attack because she's elderly. But yeah. Am I beautiful? Should somebody call Vogue? This is atrocious. Buy better face paints if you're gonna buy face paints. Don't go to Poundland. Even though, as much as I do love Poundland, this is actually, if you, how can I argue? This is scary, isn't it? Seriously, you would not want to cross me looking like this in the dark alley, and my skin is burning. So I'm going to sign it off here. This was day 25 of Halloween Soul. I will see you tomorrow in day 26. So it's a goodbye from me, Matt, and a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.